At the foot of a majestic mountain in the San Juan neighborhood of Malinalco, Mexico, in a region known for its lush vegetation and unique landscapes, the house I am about to introduce fully embraces this remarkable natural setting. The stone house blends harmoniously with both the natural environment and the existing country house. It follows the soft loft concept, a continuous space that promotes an open, fluid, and flexible living experience. The open design emphasizes freedom of movement, enhancing the sense of spaciousness with high ceilings and large windows that frame the landscape, creating a deep visual and physical connection between the interior and exterior. Integration with nature is essential. It becomes the protagonist of the space, forming an active part of the home. Large windows highlight its presence, encourage interaction, and provide abundant natural light. The choice of materials reflects the desire to integrate with the local landscape and embrace Malinalco's building traditions. Stone is the primary material, paying homage to the region's traditional architecture and utilizing local builders' skills in stonework. The ceiling structure is made of beams with a final white plaster finish, as are the masonry walls, creating a continuous and fluid atmosphere in which stone walls and framed views of the landscape stand out. The floors, countertops, and bathrooms are finished with polished concrete, whose color is achieved by mixing cement with local earth, resulting in a unique tone that reinforces the connection between the house and its surroundings. Iron frames, chosen to leverage Malinalco's traditions, bring a handcrafted element that strengthens the sense of place. The house has a built area of 72 square meters, complemented by a terrace with a jacuzzi and an interstitial garden, enhancing the connection with the natural surroundings. This garden also creates a green zone that serves as a visual barrier and an integrating element of the landscape. Despite the continuous nature of the space, the fireplace plays a central role, not only for its practical function, but also as a key element in spatial organization, defining zones without interrupting the flow of space.